Where did you wander today? Cats don't speak, but they never lie. This small logger quietly records their footsteps, standing in for the voice they don't have. To know the day you lived, beyond what we can imagine.
NekoLog F29
Is a Python-based utility designed for organizing, extracting, and visualizing GPS log files. It features a lightweight, CLI-focused design, prioritizing field practicality over a complex GUI. This program is already available on GitHub, where anyone is free to download it and modify it as they wish. This isn't a finished product, it's an open DIY experiment. The method is public. Start whenever you want. Follow their story and see for yourself.